Welcome to Doon Projects, a design and construction company. This video is about a gazebo structure we made in Tapowan, Dehradun. We provided the costings after measuring the size of roof area with center height 13 feet and extension 1.5 feet on all sides. The work was started after 2D drawings to improve the design and save the wastage of material. After cleaning the site, the 8-inch iron plates were fixed with the help of fasteners. After that, 9 feet high pillars were installed with thickness of 4-inch square. APL Apollo hollow pipe sections were used throughout the structure. In this structure, we have given 10-inch ladder of 2-inch square pipes. For trusses, we use 3 inches by 1.5 inches pipe. For purlin, we use 2-inch square on 3 feet distance. For small huts, we used 1.5-inch square pipes for purling and ladder. For paint, we applied 2 coats of red oxide and mustard color paint for the structure, as approved by the client. On joints and gaps, we used acrylic putty before final coat. It took 4 to 5 days for the paint process. Tata Durashine sheet is the best product available in the market for shed structures in India. We used 0.47 mm graphite grey color sheet with white accessories like gutters and ridges. Gutters were fixed with proper clipping at 4 feet distance and applied silicone sealant on all joints. We charge rupees 220 per square feet for this kind of work. We use Apollo pipes in 18 gauge and Tata Durashine sheet with paint and all accessories. If you are looking for low budget structures, call us. We will provide our best quotes and specifications. It takes 3 weeks to complete this kind of structures with perfection. Our fabrication workshop is located at Shestadhar Road, Dehradun. We are complete construction unit with interior and fabrication services. You may contact us on 9978 or visit our workshop. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe for more.